Hi, my name is Francisco's Automotive Repair. We are standing in front of a 33 Ford Roadster. Beautiful machine. This is the last car that Boyd Coddington made in his show. We specialize in high performance and modifications. Over here, we're going to take you to a brand new Camaro. Let me show it to you. Why bring your car to Francisco's Automotive Repair? Because we give a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, because we have a Tech 2, because I have Master Techs working for me. It's working on GM since the 80s themselves. I hand wash every car. I pick up the car and deliver it if I have to. We give you a ride home and pick you up. Located on Slater and Huntington Beach, between Beach Boulevard and Gothard. Please call us with any of your automotive questions. 714-375-2661.